Part of this wonderful ceremony that has to do with development of the local government area. You have demonstrated that you love autonomy of local government. You have demonstrated that developments must go to the rural area.
Governor Monday this afternoon is practically demonstrating that under his watch, the autonomy of local government shall translate to having tractors to develop the 18 local governments in this state. Your Excellency, this may be taken for granted, but not by those local government workers who will not even be paid under your predecessor.
Today marks a significant step in our commitment to grassroots development in the new hope of Mr. President. Today, our local government can confidently do whatever project they want to execute. That is the result of what you are seeing here now. Especially advise the local government chairman, because I will visit the interior part of your communities. I want to see you.
We are here to celebrate and to let the people of Edo State know that indeed there is what is called practical governance going on in Edo. We are here to take the message of renewed hope down to our various wards.